raw, we're going uncut, we're going handheld, guys. Let me tell you something right now. Randall Smith, you can suck it, buddy. Good God, man. You just suck it. Reverb. Wow. 3 bad J175s, 1 bad op amp, 1 shorted, one shorted tantalum cap. Good looking out there, Wooly, on that one. I just got finished putting this old girl back in, right here. Back in. It's not back in. What happened was the first sub I put in had 15 volts DC on the output on a non-inverting side. Internal short. You want to chase your tail? I keep saying I'm never going to do another Mesa, and then when I finally settle one down, I end up saying yes again. I don't know how much more I got left in me. Bye.